So this week in my top 5 gadgets of the week, well today I have some really cool accessories for your computer, whether you're traveling, doing audio mixing, or listening to music or gaming. These are some really amazing accessories. So let's get right to it.
Mr. Black.
And let's jump on in with this right here. I use it to get all the dust and crumbs off of my desk. But this is also great for cars, camera gear, inflating balloons, or just a quick cool off if you're feeling kind of sweaty. Ooh. This is the Kika JetFan 2.0, and it has an impressive 100,000 RPMs with its brushless DC motor, giving wind speeds up to 20 meters per second. But it's also tiny enough to fit in your drawers or fit in the palm of your hand, just weighing a little over half a pound. It's easy to charge with USB-C and gives you a battery life up to 4.5 hours. They give you 2 attachments for maximum blow and getting into tiny crevices. You turn it on with this bottom right here, and then you can slide up the trigger to adjust the speed to your desire. This thing is super sleek and it feels very quality made. Like when you're holding it in your hand, you're like, this is nice. And right now it comes in around $75 US. You can get it in gray, green, black, blue, or red, and it's much better and economical and even cleaner than those compressed air can dusters. Like those don't last, but you can keep using this over and over. And I'll put links to everything you see on this video down in the description so you can find it down there nice and easily and also see the most current and up-to-date price. But let's move on to the next one. Over here we have a dual portable monitor. This thing is perfect for those that do a lot of multitasking with their computers, whether it's editing, gaming, cryptoing. It gives you 2 big monitors that you can plug into your computer, and if it's a laptop, now you have 3 monitors. It works super easily with its dual 1080p FHD screens with a solid hinge on the monitors where you can actually angle the top one down exactly how you need it. It takes USB-C and draws its power from the computer, or you can use HDMI, and it comes with all of the cables that you would need to do that. So it looks great and it folds down nice and compact, about the size of a laptop. And this set currently comes in around $320 US thanks to a $50 coupon code. But maybe you don't need 2 monitors like that, maybe you just need 1. In that case, you can check out the Arzopa 1080p FHD monitor. It's super thin. It has a little kickstand here, making it easy to set up in landscape or even vertically. It has 144 Hertz and it's 16.1 inches, so it's a great secondary monitor that's plug and play with USB-C, and it draws its power from the computer, or you can use HDMI. It does come with all the cables included, and right now you can save $50 if you have a Prime membership, making it under $120 US. All right, let's move on to the next one. And if I'm going too fast for you and you want to know more information, you can always check on those links down below. And while you're down there, you can hit that subscribe button. And also, if you like gadgets and gear, you click that like button and YouTube will keep giving you more of that. All right, if you're looking for a very powerful and clear speaker system for your computer, you should check out Leviathan V2 from Razer. It's a multi-driver soundbar with a super powerful subwoofer, giving THX spatial audio, and has a cool little RGB light underneath. Plus these little brackets here on the bottom, if you have this thing higher up and you want to angle it down, you can put these brackets on. You can connect it via USB, or you can connect it with Bluetooth 5.2. And I really don't know how to let you listen to it on a YouTube video, but when I play some spatial audio music, it is crazy how good it is. Like it's like watching a movie in a movie theater. But also when you play some other music, you hear a lot more sound that you probably wouldn't hear just like from other speakers or even just your headphones. Like you're hearing different instruments and things come out of the woodworks. It's kind of fun. You can also connect it to the Razer app, and you can change lighting with countless patterns, game lighting effects, and tons of colors. But you can also tweak the sound to best fit your space. This whole system comes in around $219, and yeah, it can get really loud. But maybe you're not looking for something that's loud. Maybe you can't have anything loud, and that's where you're going to need to jump into some headphones. And I'm starting with the price on this because I was not expecting this to be under $80. This is the One Audio Hybrid Active Noise Cancelling Headphones with a 62-hour battery, built-in mic, Bluetooth connection, but also has an auxiliary port for wired option. It's extremely comfortable to wear. I mean, look at how soft this padding is. It feels like you have a cloud on your head. And just the overall design, it looks really sharp. They have dual noise dedication microphones to capture and filter out up to 95% of low frequency ambient noise. So when you put this on in noise canceling, yeah, you're not gonna hear, it's like silent. There's other buttons on here for more control, but the main thing is they just sound good. They fold up nice and compact, so you can put them away in their little carrying case. Great for travel, but also when you pump up the volume, it's clear and it sounds really good. And a lot of times with a price like that, you can't be sure if it's gonna sound good or not, but these do sound really good. So if you are in the market for some new wireless headphones or wired headphones, do check these out. Okay, and finally on this list, we have the FiFine gaming audio mixer. This tiny thing plugs into USB-C and it draws its power from the computer and gives you all these cool colors on the buttons and also down below it. It takes an XLR or 1/4 inch input as well as a gaming headset. There's a 3.5 millimeter line-in option and an output to speakers or headphones. As you can see, you have 4 faders for control and mute buttons on the bottom. You also have phantom power, light control to shuffle through different lights. And hold on, let's go to the microphone. All right, so now I'm on the microphone here and I want to show you some of these other ones. They also have an auto-tune one. So if you're not that great of a singer, you can actually select the key of the song and then you could sing and either sound beautiful or electronically beautiful. Like, do you believe in love after love? That's exactly how they do that. On the other side, they have a voice changer that you can actually go
male, so it disguises your voice if you didn't want people to hear your voice, or you can go
female if you want to have a little bit more of a feminine tone to it, or if it's a woman wanting to disguise her voice.
And there's robot, so there's that. There's monster, and this is really crazy and creepy.
There's baby. Yeah, so that's a bit weird, isn't it? Okay.
There's also elder, which is kind of nice and soothing. It's like I'm reading an audiobook. Welcome to Life Lessons with Danny Black.
Also down below that, you have 4 different custom buttons that you can actually hold and record things. So if you're doing an intro or reading an ad, you can have that already pre-done and you can just press it and go to it. So if I hold this down now, I can... Welcome to the podcast, everybody. This is your favorite podcast, and I'm your favorite host. Yeah, so if I press it again... Welcome to the podcast, everybody. This is your favorite podcast, and I'm your favorite host. Yeah. And there you have it. That's this week's list. And stay tuned for next week because I'm actually going on a cruise. I'm going to do an essentials cruise list. It's actually kind of fun. But thanks for tuning in. If you want to see some other top 5 gadget videos, you can click on one of the ones that are on the screen right now. And I'll see you there. It needs to be a little bit more time to decide. Because which one?